So Kimberly, tell me just a little bit about your last trip and your experience with your current toiletry bag.
Okay, well, this is the bag that I took, and I took all of these products. These are the products that I need, and you can see that the fastener actually ripped apart from the bag because I kept having to pack and unpack in the different locations that I was at, and so at one point the bag just gave out.
Okay, so this is going to be just a little bit of an intervention, and I'm not trying to change you. I just want to make sure that you have more time doing what you like rather than time digging in your bag.
Yeah, I don't have it very organized in the sections, but yeah, clearly I need an intervention.
Okay, Kimberly, we're going to try and reduce some of your liquid. So we can put that in that little bottle. Okay, so just a little tip as you pack this. You can put the bigger bottles kind of on the bottom like you're doing, just stand them up.